गोट्या.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Hi. And everybody is drinking milk because they love milk.
This is the milk time for them. Now they'll go off to sleep after munching. They'll dry food.
Yes.
And we'll hear katter.
Yes. And as you can hear, there's a lot of barking by Bijli, dog. That's Bura. And you see that miniature dog there? She's barking. Her name is Bijli. We, for short form, called her Bijju. Well, she's barking at a lady who has a Siberian Husky on the bus stand, not leaving. This is Sonal, Sanju, Tun. I might have told you the names. She's troubling so much. Keep it there only, he'll have.
Bijju, पागलपंती मत करो. Bijju. Tail end of Bijju is white.
Huh?
End of the tail of Bijju is white.
Yeah, I know. The puppy that was inside this shelter, na, he looks like Bijju's puppy only.
हो गया बिज्जू, अब दूध पी लो.
India wants to know if Nepali makes Nepali makes Gotia pregnant again. Will you kill him?
Yes, I will kill him to death. I will throw him out of this plot. He can go and live at his mother's place. I don't know where his mother is.
Because Vandana auntie, she doesn't want any more dogs, puppies or dogs in this plot because it is chaos.
Yes,
And we
I am fed up.
three can't handle 40 dogs.
In one place.
Yeah, in one huge, massive place.
Yes, it's not huge. It's only 2 acres.
Yeah, 2 acre.
बिज्जू, तुम्हारे पीछे पागल नहीं बन रही मैं.
Now you're not getting milk, Bijju. Now she's not getting milk because of her behavior. मार खाएगा, मार खाएगा. छोटा बाबा, रानी, muscular Nepali, Whitey. She was over there in the mangroves. Vandana auntie, let's show the viewers over there in the mangroves.
Tomorrow, when the daylight is there, then we'll go and show. Right now, it's very dangerous. There are snakes over there. There are other
Yes.
dangerous lizards over there. If they bite, then we need anti-venom injection, which is very rarely available.
Very rare to find.
Yeah, so we shouldn't take a chance.
We shouldn't at all take a chance because there might be cobras, vipers over
Look at
there.
that, Baap re. See how he was jumping.
A rat. In this whole big plot, as you all know that we think that at Musafa is being killed by rats. So that's why, because there are thousands and thousands of rats. Hi, Kali. Why are you? Oh no, you have a tick in your eye. Your eye's clean. Wait. Vandana auntie, just take out the tick from her eye, no? This Kali's. So, bye bye. See you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe for these people. And also, I didn't mention is that all these dogs are for adoption, and because as you all know that this plot is for sale, so we need to get them quickly adopted, because if this plot gets bought, these dogs will get kicked out of the plot. And also, if there are newborn puppies also, they will also get picked out of the plot. Thank you, and please adopt. Don't buy. Bye bye.